Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will dive into the powerful concept of grouping and aggregating data using pandas. By the end of this video, you will have understanding of how to group your data and perform various aggregation to gain valuable insight. So let's get started. To begin, let's consider a data set containing information about individuals. We have their names, age, gender, income. Take a look at the sample data set. Now, let's say we want to group this data by gender to understand the average income for each gender. So in pandas, we can achieve this easily using the groupby function. Let me show you how. So if you can see here we use the groupby function to group the data by gender column. Then we select the income column and apply the mean function to calculate the average income for each gender. Finally, we will print the result into df.grouped. Now that we understand how to group the data, let's explore aggregation data using pandas. Aggregating allows us to perform various calculations on group data. For instance, we can find the maximum age in each gender group. Here is how we can do it. In this code, we use the groupby function to group the data by gender. Then we select the age column and apply the maximum function to find the maximum age within each gender group. Let's see the output. And that's it for today's episode on grouping and aggregating data with pandas. We have learned how to group our data based on a specific column and perform aggregation to gain valuable insights. I hope you found this information useful in your data analysis journey. Stay tuned for the next episode of 3 Minutes of Pandas, where we will explore another exciting topic. Thank you and happy coding.